What are you talking about?
I took a photo of him with this right before he died.
And that shadow was in the picture?
Wait, what?
I don't see a shadow.
No, that's exactly my point. After Tyler died, the shadow moved to Avery's photo. And then when Avery died, it moved again. I think you're all in danger.
Come on, Bird. You should submit that shit to creepypasta.
I think if it takes your photo, you die. First Tyler, now Avery. That means next is one of you. I don't know, maybe all of you.
It's not even a very good photo.
It's not a magic camera, Bird. I mean, if it really freaks you out, we can get rid of the damn thing.
Wait, don't.
Devin.
Stupid photo. Problem solved.